Hello everyone, welcome to the What's Up Wednesday video. I hope everyone's having a great summer and that things are just going great and you're selling lots and recruiting a lot of people and we're having promotions and everything's just going great. So today is Wednesday, July 18th, and there are just a few new things that I see in the weekly updates. One of the big things is that next week we have the holiday catalog launch event, which is going to be happening the 24th, 25th, and 26th. Each day at 1 o'clock Stampin' Up! Time. Stampin' Up! Is going to be posting a video with some holiday catalog. I'm assuming sneak peeks, a little bit of info about the catalog, what's going to be in it. And at the end of the video, there's going to be some kind of a survey that we can take after we watch the video. And we have 24 hours to get in to take the survey, which puts us into a drawing for a prize. So they'll have prize patrols each day for these videos. I'm not sure when the prizes are going to be announced, but it's going to be all happening next week. So that's pretty exciting. Remember, 1 o'clock Stampin' Up! Time, 24th, 25th, and 26th. Also, our holiday catalog pre-order is coming on August 1st, which also means if you want Stampin' Up! To send catalogs to your customers through the mailing selector, you need to have that done by 11:50 p.m. the 31st of July, Stampin' Up! Time. Now, what I do for my personal self is I like to go into my mailing selector and I start the process. In fact, I just started it today. So I went through and I listed, I marked everyone that I wanted a catalog to go to. And now through the end of July, if I get a new customer, then I will just add them to my list before I finalize it on the 31st, because you can only do one order. So I always wait until the 31st. I put reminders in my phone so that I don't forget. And that's how I get the holiday catalog to my customers. Now, those will be delivered to your customers via the U.S. mail service sometime probably the third or fourth week of August, because the pre-order or the catalog is going to go live the beginning of September. So, also, if you guys are not aware, we do have our distinctive stamp line, and the distinctive stamps are really, really cool. They are a new type of way to manufacture stamps, and there is a like a one-page document, a PDF file that you can find by going to the weekly updates, click on the distinctive stamps information, go to, I think it's a catalog resources page, and scroll down, you'll find the link to upload or to look at that. Anyway, it's a great thing to maybe send to your customers in an email or post it on your Facebook page or your blog or something like that, because it talks about the process, a tiny little bit about how distinctive stamps create different opacities in a single stamped image for realistic depth and intensity. I read that right off the download. So we have a few stamp sets in the catalog that are produced with the distinctive method. One of them is All Good Things. We've got Healing Hugs, the Bouquet Dots, the Stylish Christmas, that's hard to say, and Seize the Day so far. Now, I don't know if there's any in the holiday catalog, but these stamps are really, really cool. So check that out. If you want to get your customers interested in those, then send them the flyer or post it somewhere. They have announced the onstage presenters and the event information for Onstage in Orlando. So remember, August 14th, registration begins for Silver Elite demonstrators and above. So there are perks to becoming a Silver Elite demonstrator. Registering early for Onstage is one of them. Silver Elites will get to start registering at 9, and then everyone else will be registering at 10. So if you're not Silver Elite, I would say get to your computer before 10 o'clock and just keep refreshing the page until it opens up and you can get in, because they're saying there's going to be enough room, but I would just work on the assumption that there's not going to be enough room and that you need to get in ASAP. Then we have November 7th through the 10th is the Onstage live event in Orlando, which a lot of us are going to, so I'm excited to see you guys there. And then they also have the locals around the globe too, so that's going to be cool. And they'll probably have some videos and stuff like that for those of you that can't go or don't want to go or whatever the case may be, that you'll be able to watch some of the fun that goes on there. I wanted to mention briefly about the blended season bundle that's going to be available for customers August 1st. It's available to us to pre-order right now. It's the stamp set and the die set. I guess it's the Color Your Season promotion is what they're calling it. And the stamp set is called Blended Season, I believe. And then the dies are called Stitched Seasons, I think. And then we have the new set of watercolor pencils that were created to kind of go with this. If you look at the colors in those watercolor pencils, they're great because they have some fall colors, some Christmas colors, and then just some, you know, fun kind of springy colors for some of the flower images that are in this bundle. So this is going to be exclusive through August only. It's available while supplies last. So start marketing it early, like at the end, towards the end of July, beginning of August, hardcore market it so that in the event that it does sell out, your people will already be aware of it. They will have already ordered it and they'll be happy campers because we love happy stampers and happy campers. All right, I think that's it. Just for reference for everyone, Dina and Kelly are going to be on the Alaska cruise, which starts on Sunday. I opted out of that, sadly, because my family goes on a different vacation this time of year, so I will also be gone. I will be gone through the 22nd of July through August 5th. I think Kelly and Dina will they sail out of Seattle on the 22nd, and I believe they come back the following Sunday, which I think is the 29th. So all of us will have probably spotty internet at best. So if you do have questions, please try to help each other out with the questions. If there's something that you just don't know or nobody can answer and we haven't been able to get on to help you, please call Demonstrator Support. They can answer your questions for you. My personal self, I will be up at a lake in Montana, and I will have to either go out in the boat to the middle of the lake to get cell service, or I have to drive up the road about 2 miles to get service. So I probably will only be on getting service a couple times a day, and my mom has fallen ill, and so I will probably be spending a lot of my time while I am getting service checking on her to see that she's okay. So, but like I said, please, everyone help each other out. If someone asks a question and you know the answer, please, please, please post the answer. Just let's help each other out while Dina, Kelly, and I are gone. We'll try to do our best to get anything answered that we can. But again, we're on vacation, so we're going to be having a good time. So I think that's it. So I hope you guys all have a great couple of weeks. I will see you in August. All right. Bye-bye.